Good afternoon, students. This is Pradeep sir, and I will teach you mathematics. Today I am taking the first chapter of your NCERT book, that is number system. This is very important chapter for your class 9, and not only for class 9, also for class 10th, because the first chapter of the class 10th is real number, in which you use the same chapter. And also in class 11, the first chapter is the sets, that is about this chapter. In class 12, functions, differential calculus, interior calculus, in that you will also use the same chapter. So try to understand this chapter very carefully. Now we are talking about the number system. There are many number systems, in which the first is decimal number system, second is binary number system, third is octal number system, fourth is hexadecimal number system. In decimal number system, the base is 10. It's mean we are using 10 digits to execute this system, and these digits are 0 to 9. In binary number system, the base is 2. It's mean we used only 2 digits 0 and 1 to execute this system. In octal number system, the base is 8. It means we use the 8 digits 0 to 7 to execute this number. In hexadecimal number system, the base is 16. It means we use 0 to 9 digits and A to F alphabets to execute this number of system. Binary number system, octal number system, and the hexadecimal number system, these three systems are used in computer science. So we will take focus only in decimal number system. Now we are talking about the numbers. There are two types of the numbers: real numbers and imaginary numbers. The numbers which we have studied from your previous classes to up to class 10 are all real numbers. For example, 2, comma minus 3, root 5, 2 upon root 3. These are all real numbers. Now what do you mean by imaginary numbers? Suppose the square root of 4, this is 2. Then what is the square root of 4? It cannot be minus 2. It is wrong. So this type the numbers are called the imaginary number, which you will study in your class 11. Now we are talking about the real numbers. There are two types of the real numbers: rational numbers and irrational numbers. What are rational numbers? What are rational numbers? The numbers which can be represented as the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers. Where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 are called rational number. For example, 2 minus 3 upon 4, yes 7. These are all rational numbers. Now irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are those which cannot be represented in the form of P upon Q, which cannot be represented as the form of P upon Q, are called the irrational numbers. For example, root 2 or root 3 or 5 upon root 7, these are all irrational numbers. Now, the rational numbers are subdivided into integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. What are integers? There are two types of the integer: positive and negative. The whole numbers and its negative are called the negative integers, and positive whole numbers are called the positive integers. Whole numbers, the numbers which are from 0 to onward are called whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, etc. These are all whole numbers. So natural number is started from 1 as 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are all natural numbers. Rational number and irrational number also can be classified on the basis of decimal. If you divide the numbers and you are getting a terminating decimal, then that is also called a rational number. For example, 2.3, yeah, 6.78. These are terminating decimal. These are the rational number. Also, there are other type of decimals which are non-terminating. For example, 2.3737 dash dash dash. These are non-terminating decimals. Yeah, 6.3879. This is also non-terminating decimal. What is the difference between these two? This is non-terminating but repeating. See, 37, 37. This is repeating. So this is also a rational number. But here this is not repeating. 6.3879. 9. The digits are not repeating. So this is irrational number.